Hi, I'm Paul Hockman, and this is Tech Notes. Small business owners have come to appreciate the helpful sayings in these Tech Notes videos. Here's one. He who is wise, accessorize. Still working on that one. But it's true. Consider tablets, already a key tool for small businesses. They're made even more powerful with the right accessory. Let's start with touchscreens. Not always the easiest thing to type quickly on. Well, the Logitech tablet keyboard for Android 3.0 is a Bluetooth keyboard and tablet stand and protective case. It makes typing emails and messages much more efficient. Next, Vogel's Ringo Universal Tablet Mounting System. It's made of solid engineered aluminum. You put your presentations on the conference room wall. You use the flex mount to attach it to a desk. You even view the tablet horizontally or vertically by rotating it, like this. Ow! And say your little tablet needs to go big. Many companies like Samsung make an HD TV adapter that attaches directly to your tablet and supports outgoing video signals in up to 1080p Blu-ray quality. So, store a big presentation on your little tablet and send it to a big monitor in a little conference room, leaving a big impression. You follow? Check out the rest of our videos.